Hello, everybody. Hopefully, you are doing well. Another day of the market, and we have to be ready for that. Let me just quickly look at it. Same things you're gonna do. Try to get some little trades and then finish our day. So, I have to be good with timing. Okay, the market got 2 minutes. Let me just set up my things. Actually, I didn't set up. Okay. So how they actually doing is this like going bonker, isn't it? Let me just put a little bit of. So today I'm looking for lower price for a while, but I want them to go up at 9:30 and give me an like a entry. It would be nicer. But if they don't give, what can I do? I'll do nothing. I'll be just I'll do something for sure. But today is the day. But how they left it on the top like this one, I didn't like it. But this is just a state of Hormuz open. We're gonna further bomb them. So this is that one. This is open. This is we're gonna bomb them. So I don't know how to trade these kind of things. This market is like not for normal people. So obviously I'm gonna be quick and short. Like I want them to come at least around this area. If they come, it will be nice. If they don't come, we don't. I'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna somehow yesterday, I was trading a little bit like a. I will talk about it a little bit later. So let's concentrate. Coca-Cola, nothing else. I had a sandwich. It was like a panini, you can say, a little bit dry. My throat got proper dry. So yeah, if they come up, it would be nice. If they straightforward fall, I don't know what to do. So then we'll decide accordingly. Okay. So that's the things because they already traded. Look, you can see they create this was the gap is they didn't create it yet, but they created an order block. Okay, straightforward fall. Let us see. Concentrate. Okay. Yeah. So 4 hours as well. Yeah, they're falling. So let them fall. What can I do? If they straightforward fall to today's opening price, because there are lots of liquid here, I have nothing to do. Crazy, crazy market. How they trading? This is in pre-market they'll move that much. How can you short from straight from here? It's not possible. So what do? We watch. Let them trade. They don't want to be part of it. They don't want us to be part of this run. It's all right. Let me concentrate today. So 4 hours already. Did something 1 hour. What they did? They're trying to take liquidity. I hope they don't take the liquidity more. They go up. So 9:30 price back again. Because they just fell pre-market. I mean, I don't know what to do about it. Hope they give us a retracement from here up to like some kind of area like that, let's say. It would be nice if they come a little bit up and then we can short it all together. If the market maker wants us to take a trade. But he thinks they're gonna fall just like that. I'm not part of it. There is nothing to trade because they moved so much on pre-market. Sometimes market open is difficult. That's what ICT said it. But pre-market as well, I mean, I didn't see anything to like, let's say, I could short it, but it would be like they didn't do anything on the top. So they were just straightforward gone up. Only I could say that, they extended so much. 400 points almost from yesterday, so short it. So that would not be a good way. I don't trade that way. This one, expecting it to go up, so then how far, that's the question. Yeah, so you go, let's see how you trade. Okay, good job. So watching this gap now, I think they have further to go. I don't think from here they're falling. So let's see how they created another gap. If they create another gap, I don't want to buy it. Today is no buying. I'm not gonna catch you like that. So if you want to go somewhere, you can go. Not buying, not buying now. Let's see if they create a gap. So this is 1 hour. I'm expecting them to little bit come up. Let's see if they have anything there. 15 minutes, what they're saying. 15 minutes saying they traded this gap, so they traded already that gap, so they were about to go down, now they're coming up, so it's a good sign for me. I would say come here, then we'll check you how you trade. Okay, I'm not gonna look at this chart today too much because every day I'm just getting trapped here because my eyes are there. When I see the money, I'm doing mistakes. Okay, they created the fast gap. Now the question is, will they hold this fast gap? I can take a trade from here as well. Sometimes, I feel like not to live stream at all. Anyways, it is what it is. We are learning, okay? So I mean, as long as we are getting confidence, trying to get a green day, these kind of things are important for us. I mean, we don't need to worry too much about this one. Somebody could take a trade from here as well, like, I mean, if it is your model that you trade fast presented gap, okay? So your stop loss would be under maybe somewhere here. Risk to reward would be 1 to 1 or 1 to 2.5, at least, if you see 1 minute, yeah, I'm happy that they're going up. They are giving me better hope. Yeah, go up, man, please. Go up, so we can do something about it. Otherwise, they will not have nothing. Yes, please go up. So then basically my target is to try to sell it. So I mean, they have to go to somewhere nicer. That's what I want. Observing, okay, 50, this area is interesting as well, but I hope they don't stop here and then return. Remember 57 institutional price, look, already if somebody shorted from there, 57, look, already 33. Do you understand? Just to say that, they've taken out this high. I mean, you have to be quick. So today I don't want to trade like that as well. A little bit wait is better, So they created another gap here. If you like, observe your chart as well. I'm observing. Okay, we're learning. So they created a gap. So he said this is the fast presented gap. Then they created another little gap. If you see, if we see our NQ chart, so which is giving me more confidence that they should be more up maybe. But from this area, I'm always cautious because it's already reached 50. So now if the next level is what? Next level is, like around 830 price. Look, this area. I hope they do 2 candle round there, and then after that we might try to sell it. But they didn't trade this one, they didn't trade this one, this inversion gap as well, this candle as well. This one will be very important. Okay, let us mark it maybe. You mark it in your chart because I've got it. I don't like to put too many things on my chart maybe. If you observing, our target is to take quick trade. My target actually, I'm not telling you to trade like me, okay? Because I'm risky trader. I take risk, but only trying to be disciplined. That's what I'm trying to do. There's nothing to follow me or something, okay? So 57 they reached. Now they created a little gap. Will they invert? Mm. If they invert from here, should I short it? I don't know. No, I'm not happy yet. They might come up to, let's say, for 28,411. Okay. Okay, now let them trade. So this area they can even go up back again. Yeah. 10, 11. Okay. Let's see how they trade. Okay. Now they inverted that little gap I was talking about. Okay. So will they create another gap on the top? That's the question. But they traded the fast presented gap back again. Now the question is, so the retracement already, I would say, done to the fast presented. Now they, if they close on the top of that things or not, that's the question. Oh wow, wow. Risk or risk. Seriously, should not trade. Good job. Hmm. I mean, this one I let them close 57. Yeah, they should have gone a little bit higher. I don't like it them to fall from this kind of area. So now they created a bearish gap, 1 minute gap here. So now will they invert or will they fall from here? So somebody can take a trade from here as well. Like, and then put your stop loss on the top. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'll be 100% sure today too, because today's selling is got a good opportunity to me. I mean, like I'm saying, I hope that they give us a little bit higher, because from here to sell it is like a not good. It didn't extend it that much. But could I buy it? If you ask me, not really. I mean, where they reach? I came here to, yeah. I mean, if it is your model, I'm not sure. I couldn't buy it from 36. 28,000, 28,335. Not really. Okay, now they traded that red, I mean, that bearish gap. So they already inverted, kind of inverted. Okay, now the question is, will they go down and create an order block? I'm not, I'm thinking they should go up more. That would be nice. Good job. Go up, go up. So let's say lots of people trade from the fast presented gap. This was a trade as well, from the fast presented gap. If you are a like a short-term trader, like I need to learn those things as well. Look, they've taken out this low from here further buy, because I'm hoping that they will give us a retracement. So I could trade this one, because then the market is extremely bullish and they are top of the 930 price. I could have done that, but the thing is that today my mind is saying to sell it. So let me wait for a while to try to sell it. So to sell, to me, the price has to come around this area. And then if they create some kind of a bearishness, then maybe. But buying was a good idea as well, like, because the market was bullish and they were. But it's all our short-term trade, okay? And the timing as well. So I'll see next 15 minutes candle how they trade. This 15 minutes candle got another 3 minutes left. Will they extend more? ES already reached 830 price. Don't want to see ES today too much, because ES confuse me all the time. ES is how it go, it just doesn't have no sense. NQ, at least I like it. I don't know why. Lots of people like ES. So yeah, there is a gap here. Look, they coming to this trade this one. I could have traded from here as well and put my stop loss there, 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, to target all these highs. But as I'm live streaming, okay, yeah. I have to actually forget about live streaming things. I have to just trade as I trade because I need to create this account. What is this? Okay, yeah. Somehow yesterday, see, if you see my live stream yesterday, you'd be so ICT would be a shame as well. How I got trapped every places. Hopefully, I don't do silly mistakes. I'll just take quick trade and just make something and just go away. Anyways, let's concentrate. So the trading that bullish gap. So now, what is their target? Okay. Last few days they traded so weirdly. So they like when you get part of those kind of price action, the problem happened that you lose your little bit of confidence to do something because if whatever you did, let's say, didn't work. Look, see, it was nice. I'm liking it that they're going high, but the thing is that going up as well, I could have actually traded. So now they traded. Okay, loving it. So 67, 69, perfect. They're coming to 830 price back again. 44 now. Now the next candle. Okay, let's see how they trade from here. These are the area, interesting area for me. But I will wait today because how they left all these things. If you see the prices here, look, this one is equal high. If you see it, I hope they come on the top of that quickly, but not stopping too much there, and then they come down, and then I can short them. Other than that, I don't have no plan right now. Because today I just want to be focus. Don't talk too much and focus. I know some of you watch my video later on. I mean, thanks for watching it. But it's just a journey I'm sharing, and then if you like it, just watch it. Try to, yeah, 45. Now the interesting part is, are they gonna do anything from here, or they gonna go a little bit up? Hope they go a little bit up. But we have to be careful as well because here they already created what they created like a freaking order block. But a series of down close candle closed by this one. So this one, how far they're gonna go, we don't know. But as my plan is to short it, I'll be quick, try to short it. This area, let me mark it a little bit. 1 hours. Let's see how they treat. Okay, that now came to 830 price. 830 price. Don't just fall from there, man. I didn't even get part of it. No, nothing to short or anything. Okay, so this one I'm not checking today. Today I have to be careful. I want tiny bit more higher. It's not satisfying. Let's say 20 price should be 20. It would be nicer. 20, then they will close this gap. I don't know. It could be the end of it, but I'm still not convinced that they're gonna just touch it and go. Wanted to poke 50, already 70. Look, 30 points. I could have just, if I short it from there as well, it could be interesting. But as we are waiting for like a good price, this is to go down as well. I cannot trust it yet. But if somebody taken the trade, let's say, look, 001, remember institutional price? This one now, I don't know. Should I? Why I lost my confidence of trading like that? Little bit because of live streaming. This one was a pure. So this is the area. Still waiting. That was a short. I should have done it. But this gap is still. If they go a little bit higher, then it would be a better short. That's why I couldn't 100% trust this one. I hope they go higher a little bit. At least take out this kind of high, and then they trap the people there, and then maybe look for something down. But market is extremely bullish. So if I look for lower price today, just today's opening price or lower than that. Let me see the, oh sorry, I forgot even regular trading. Okay, this low, yeah, good opportunity of shorting actually. I'm feeling so much FOMO to enter, but it didn't do the things I wanted them to. A little bit higher would be nicer, truly speaking. I'm not gonna short it with FOMO next today. If there is no trade, I'll just not trade today because I have to feel confidence today. Anyways, I lose money in the beginning, then I have to recover all this money. Yesterday, how hard it was to recover those things, you don't know. But good chances, yeah. But I don't want to be FOMO today. No FOMO. Not really, but they can even fall from there, leave this gap, this 1 hour gap. Only thing was, nom, 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 nom. This ES and Q, both of them. Okay, let me concentrate. I have to little bit concentrate. 44, 38. Part of me is saying short it. But it's like it will be like picking the top. Because this is what they created is like a chunk of candles over there, and then from there they fall. It is not nice, do they? But they can do that easily. Easily they can do that. It would be nice if they went to, let's say, around 560, 570, that kind of price, or 50, even 50, yeah. But will they do it? If they're bearish, they will just fall from here. How you feel? Now this is, I'm trusting as like yesterday, but it is not a good one. Okay, look, see, immediately. This kind of things, the problem is that, I was not satisfied with the top. What I did, same mistake like yesterday. I was so careful not to take a bad trade. I actually taken a bad trade. So, I mean, this is the FOMO trade. I really want to. This is bad trading. Bad trading at its best. I was telling myself I'll not do FOMO trade, and I did it at last. You know what? As I did mistake, I'll cut it. I'll be today. I'll concentrate. I have to concentrate. I'm gonna trade with a little bit big today. I don't know why. Big means two. It had more to do on the top. Why? I should have bought it when. Very bad running. Okay. Anyways, concentrate. Maybe I have to wait until 10 o'clock. Is there any news? Nothing. Remember yesterday, same mistake. So I have to remember not to do this. When they go down, these are the things I told you, build up over the time that, what is it called? I treat them like, what is it called? Displacement. What I should not. I trade like this kind of area. Look, if I trade it from there, I would have my 100 points here from there. The area I used to trade. I don't know why I'm trying to be too much live streamer rather than trading my area. So it's all right. I'll get it. Bad trading. Those kind of area I normally used to buy them, if they deep like that, because it didn't do anything to go down. I was telling that, this one doesn't look good because it's like bunch of candles, but did the same mistake. Now the classic things will be if I bought it back. Then I completed all the bad trading example. Not good, not good. But they got a like a downside to it. Today I have to catch it. I cannot be like this. Okay, let them go up. This one telling me that they're gonna go up. I'll not from here. This one will be for more again. But this is going higher now. Look, the area I already told you exactly that area they're coming. Now this area I said it, they left it. Hmm. 95. So 20, around 20 or 50 maybe. Very bad, very bad. Okay, today I'll be with this. This was a pullback. Yesterday, same thing. This pullback, I treat it as like a going down. I don't want to lose today my mind. That's the only things I don't want to do. From here, they can just go up as well, because how they left the high. Look, this area, they don't have no SMT with ES or anything. It's just both of them are same. I'm just selling it just to technical sales, nothing else. That's what I'm thinking. But this one didn't tell me that it still now is ready. Okay, so they're just taking out this size. Okay, let me go concentrate on my thingy. So this one trying to come up. I would say this is the area. Hope they go down now. They're taking out this high. Hmm. Better to wait for this one. I'm shorting back again. Okay, I don't know. I'm just shouldn't have done it. Stop loss on the top of that. I should have get it two maybe. I don't know. Let's see if they can like close it. I'm just anticipating it. I should not do that, but I did it. I think I did mistake again. It's all right. It's all right. This one could be a chunk because if they invert this gap because they've taken out the high and this candle would have tell me because they already didn't invert it properly. This can go higher more again. Yeah. Yep. They're doing it back again. Okay, fine. Because they didn't finish their job on the top. But if they go down from here as well, it will be not bad. But this is not good. Yes, already became uh, let's see if they can. They're trying. Can they try? If they have to be quick. But I don't think they're trying. So they created a little gap now. So what are you gonna say? Can they do anything from that gap? Or they're gonna invert this gap? There is a little gap over there. I'll keep it until now because if they have to fall, they should fall from this area a little bit. But I'm not ready yet. Everybody is trying to short. I'll trade bigger size today. This is not if they don't hold this gap, so they got more things to do on the top. So we'll wait. But that entry should be from here. If I would trade it, let's say properly, it can be a trade. Let's say if they like do the good things, doesn't look like it. So because why ES already went higher than 830. So this one didn't. So that's the only thinking I'm thinking that if ES can now retrace, but it's not ready yet because they didn't take a look. They left liquidity here. So better if I come out. But the problem is that like how they're doing it is not a good way to do that. So this candle should have fall. So you know what? I take the things out and then wait for it to show me sign properly. Now it will fall. I'm not for getting FOMO. Let's see if they get to see. I'm sure it's a laughable thing. It's all right. It's not that much. I'll trade a little bit bigger today. 10 a.m. now. Let's see if they can give us something on the top. They go a little bit high and then maybe. So silver bullet started. The question is that how they're gonna trade from here. They created a what is it called? So 1 hour they created a gap. So that's a good sign for me to let's say kind of short it. I'll trade with two maybe. I'm gonna short it back again from here, but it is not ready. Okay, this is a stupid thing I did again. So this gap, yeah, they need to take out some liquidity from the top. Sorry for that. This one was not a. But if they do a little retracement, I might get something from here. That's what I was thinking. But I think they might take something up. Let's see if they can give us something. Come on, give us a little bit more retracement. Then you can go high. Give us something, man. Come on, tiny bit, you can do it. No, they're holding. There is a little gap there. Should have taken some profit out so that like I would not lose it. But if they how they're going up, I'm not liking it anymore. So they can come and trade this gap now. I don't know. Concentrate. They tap the low of the candle back again. They didn't give up yet. But this is the area I'm so much FOMOing to enter. Seriously, this is the area if they have to do it. But the only thing is that they didn't trade up. Feeling like to short it back again. I don't know. It's just I'll be quick anyways. I'll check it how they treat this area because how they fell. They created all these gaps and everything. I mean, I don't know why they're not little bit to do like they left quite a big RTH gap. I don't know why they're not falling, man. Only problem is that 10 o'clock open, they didn't do anything. So now they came down. This price I'm watching. Can they little bit do something from here? Stop loss. Quickly stop loss. If I put it, this time. Oh shit! I have to like. I was supposed to reduce the contract. Anyways, little bit recovered though. Let them create a gap here. So this still okay. Good job. So this is the if they create a gap here, from the gap I'll try to take a trade. If they retrace back, so that would be a better. But they can just go away. But the idea was good. I mean, if I just did it from there, only thing is 1 hour didn't come to trade this gap. That's why I didn't like it. But they don't need to come because they can just fall from here directly and go to today's opening price. I'm just waiting for them to like create, but I should actually uh, stay in this trade. 35. I hope they give me an entry from there before they're taking out this low. But there will be lots of chance. Come on, give us an entry, man. Don't go away. They didn't. It's alright. We'll have trade under. I will have trade under. What is it called? Fast presented gap as well. If they come here, I'm gonna add one. Look at this. 30. See, I'm not part of this. So now this one in NQ, they already did a market structure shift. So now if they're coming up, uh, 25, 25, 27, 25, didn't trade a gap. That's the only problem. If they would have traded a gap, it would be a better, because if I short from here, it's not a like a good short to me. Tiny bit up, please. If I'm FOMO, I can add one from here and then I'll add another one there. If they toast me, I would be ready to get toasted. But I need to enter because this need to at least be on this trade somehow. Because they didn't trade the fast presented gap. They taken out the market structure shift they given me after 10 o'clock. Then there are two gaps there. If I don't trade this gap, I know I have to at least believe in some sort of things. If they come here, oh, I couldn't add it. It was so quick. This one was the actual entry. I should have done it. Okay, it's fine. Stop loss will be on the top of this one. It's all right. My leverage is my stop loss. Okay, so now I want to see how they trade. If they want to go down, they have to be fast. But this one traded this gap. Okay, so now let's see what is happening. Oh, look. That's why you need to set up TP for this kind of things. Like they just do something. This low, if we target, I mean, it's too much ambitious because they traded the fast presented gap already. So I want to see if they can trade under the 930 price. Okay. So let's say fast presented gap is still, they can close or not, because fast presented gap can be, yeah, they traded down, 930 price came back. On 930 price, I normally come out. So I'm gonna come out and then after that I'll see what they do. Because at 930 there could be retracement. So think about the trade. I was almost right because they created they taken out liquidity, they created this gap. So that one I couldn't believe it because they just tested my patience. Look here, 1, 2, 3, and inside 5 candle I should have trusted it. So look, now I came out the area because they from 9:30 they can retrace back. So it's still all right. Let them come up. So this one is the area I can re-enter it from here as well. But let them go a little bit high. This kind of area I should create position back again maybe. I don't know. Let's see how they create this candle. Okay, little bit up, please. Don't fall from here. Tiny bit up would be better because they didn't trade at that gap. What we were expecting. Tiny bit up would be nicer. If they go tiny bit up, I'll again short it from 46.50 around that area. It would be nicer. 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 42, 45. Yeah, one here and another one I'll add it. It can be even bullish as well. I don't care. But I traded with my model. That's it. My model is to saying that, like there is two gaps here. If you check it, so I have to trade from here. Otherwise, I mean, I could get like completely, they could go high, but I have to believe in something. 9:30 price they traded, so they can just go higher from here as well. So the next I'll add another one little bit up, and then I'll try to trade that one. So look, if they go tiny bit up, here I'll add another one, and then if I have a loss, I'll take loss because there is a no weak candle there. Oh, I just entered a little bit early, I think. If they go high, I'll take the loss this time. They can do that. So this is another area they reach. Yeah. So this is the last barrier. If they go high, it's fine. Yeah, I think they did it. So you know what? They didn't finish yet. So this is the loss. I'll take it. It's fine. This loss I'll take it with happiness because this one at least I traded with. My ultimate stop loss will be on the top of this one. Okay. So I think I'll get a stop out now. But how they traded, I mean, they can come back to this gap and then they can even go high. But this is a short, I think maybe I'm too early. I should actually take the loss, maybe. Yeah, take the loss. Don't be too much cocky. It's fine. 100 pounds is all right. Happy that, this loss I didn't mind because this loss actually, because I entered from a area. But, the entry was good in the beginning until the first presented gap. It's fine, fine. From here, they could fall even. One thing I didn't notice. Look, that one I could have a little bit be cautious because you see so many things and you try to talk and then you forget things. Look at this, what they can. Almost 50% of that. So this 1 hour gap is still holding. So I should have like a little bit cautious from there. But it's all right. I just traded my model. I'm gonna reshort it if they give me an order block from here. If they traded that little things what we were talking about. Now I have to concentrate because now the loss I taken but this one I don't mind because this loss was I followed few system like there was two gaps here. I was supposed to trade from that gap, but the bounce back from there. This one they didn't become order block actually perfectly, but lots of people will say this is the order block, no? So they traded 9:30 open. They closed on the top of the opening price. I should be a little bit cautious, but I traded from this gap. This came out here, so I would have put my stop loss here anyways. So I mean, it's not a bad things I did, I would say. But how difficult the market is, you understood. So they have more things to do. Remember we were ultimate exactly what I say. I was talking about this area, they didn't trade it. So this was kind of like a retracement. So let them go up. Hopefully we get something. Trading hard, isn't it? Only thing was like they taken out this high, they given you hair market structure shift, then they created two gaps. They traded a significant area. I mean, my trade was, I'm not unhappy about it. I mean, it could be better, but it did and it's fine. Still, there will be trade. Lots of things to achieve. They have to come back to today. I'm feeling like they should come back to today's opening price at least. So they again created something. This time I'm not trusting it until they're going down under 930 price. Buying is still an valid option. So this time I have to be careful. So pre-market price was quite big. So that's why like they're testing us here. So 930 open, after that what they're doing? Just consolidation. So they came back again to the top. Hmm. Yeah, now kind of higher price is like looks like it. So what? Let's see if they close on the top of 830. Immediately try to be like right. So I should have like when they retrace back from 930, I could have waited. That's the only things I could have improved. It's fine. We'll get it back. So we are exactly in the yesterday's situation. Okay. So this one need more higher prices. Or they waiting for news. I don't have no news. Just if somebody has to say something. Tomorrow, yeah, 10:15. Ugly price action, isn't it? Because of the pre-market move. This area is very critical. I hope they don't leave this area. Then I don't know what they're gonna do. But how they came here looks like they'll trade a little bit higher first and then maybe. If they fall from here, the way I have to trade now is very cautious. So there are gaps here, everywhere. There are 1 minute. Sorry, why I'm here. So they still didn't take out the high. This is consolidating, nothing else. Yeah. Feel like shorting it back again, but let's see how they close this candle. The next candle open up. Oh, I'm with two now. Not bad, not bad. Very bad, very bad. I didn't notice. Sorry. Yeah, this is another of the issue it could be, but it's all right. They came to the order block, and I'm shorting from here. Yesterday's issue because got too upset maybe with these things. I'm so much eager to catch this short. I'm feeling like I'm gonna let myself down if I don't win this game. Now this is still not ready to be shorting, yeah? Because they have to be fast, but they didn't do anything from here. I'm out with one. At least I'm gonna take little to recover tiny bit. This one is still not ready, but I'm gonna keep it. So 9:30, sorry, 10 o'clock already. So they again going up. If they go down, they should not come to this gap anymore. Because this one they should keep it as a like a breakaway gap. But only problem is they didn't take out this any highs. We have to be like hopeful. This is a kind of like I'm just hoping that they work. Do you understand? Like so, if you tell me my TP should be around there, if they give me, I don't know. So now they again came to the top of the what is it called, our fast presented gap. So from here they can even bounce back. I'm out for the time being. I don't want to be like I'm recovering the losses. This is the things I'm doing right now. But this is a either this short works because this one became a look. This area is a suspension block. I might add again, but I don't know when. If they go down, this could be the run. So I might be if they give me a little bit higher price back again, I might try to short it back again. Yeah, I'm shorting back again with one just to be on the game. I have to be on the game to like recover, and then I'm gonna keep. If they give me any chance of taking profit, I'll take it. If they don't give me, one not gonna hurt me. But if this is the run, because this is a suspension block, and this one is it could be a breakaway gap if they leave it like that. I have to try. Yeah, they're going up again. Very, very interesting price action. So they came to the back to that gap back again. So fast presented gap, they traded. This time I will add another one, a little bit up maybe. Yeah, from here I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna be aggressive because this gap they created and then they just trading on the range. Calm down, buddy. At least to this low. Give us something. You can do it. Come, come on. Got so many things downside. What are you doing upside? This market maker is playing with us. I'm gonna take more risk from this area. Believing that this is a suspension block. I hope they close down. We don't have time, man. But only another next candle, you should go down. Come on, market maker, give us something today at least. Last 2 days, 3 days, it was so bad. Market maker is brutal, man. So this, they don't have no power. Close down, man. If he's just still farting around. Such a bad guy. At least low of this one, no? Maybe if I go away, they might fall. Range trading. So like they came back to again to the first presented gap. Are they gonna give up or not? Market maker, I took out one, yeah, just to, I don't know why I just couldn't take out on the right time. Bad. So again traded the first presented gap. They don't want to give up. If they come up now, they'll be not good because they don't have follow through. Is no good at all. They're ranging. So there is no follow through. That means they are problematic price action. Okay. This one will be now again my, what is it called? Like they will, if they take out this high, again problematic. But this one I'm gonna keep it hopefully. Hope they don't close from here and go up back again. I will not like it. Close down, man, to the first presented gap. If they go up from here, is like a problematic back again. But the next 15 minutes candle would be interesting if they need to go down. If they go down, where they can go? Today's opening price. Tape here. You think so? Is it too much ambitious? If they go down, they could go down here, but they are not doing it, are they? Seriously? They're going back again? Yeah, they're coming back here. That means they're going up. Bad guy, bad guy. Market maker is a bad guy. Yeah, this one they didn't do it, so that means they could go higher. Oh my god. This is what they're doing. I don't know. You see, this is BPR area. If they cross this area, means they're again becoming bullish. They're trying to take out some of the other liquidity. Okay, you came here, back again. You traded 830. Only thing is that they can do up this one, seriously. Yeah, they just trading like everywhere. This one is a loss now. See, you feel like go buy another, sell another one from there. Could have actually. So now, will you create this one as order block, or are you gonna create a gap here? Tell me, market maker. Show us some love, man. If we create a gap here, is not good. Create an order block, market maker, please. They didn't see. Again, bounce back. So that means this is like a problematic price action. But I have to. Look, they stopped now. Didn't create a gap, but it stopped. Still is not a good sign. So this one telling me they might go up again. So this is the problem. Too many trades. If I could take the money, I would be break even already. Okay. So, but I didn't do it, like I was hoping that they will come here. Think about it. But today I'm gonna make a position up. What they're doing, this is, they can go high, but still now only hope is this gap. But how they traded, look, one candle gone up, another candle gone up. This candle doesn't fall. How can it be good? 27. So next 15 minutes candle is starting very soon. If they would have run, they should have already started the run downside, but they're not doing it. Okay, back to drawing board. Hmm. No, just ranging. With one, think about it, you taking loss. So this one again saying that they might go up. No, 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 no. This time how they came up. This one is not the bearish anymore. 1 minute left. Can they do it? My hand is on my trigger. Such a price action. Oh my God. Very, very bad price action. But I don't want to come out as well. I'm gonna take some risk. This is ridiculous price action, too, seriously. If you see it, like, what are they doing? Are they crazy or what? Man, if you want to go down, go down. Otherwise, just leave us alone. You want to do something, just do it. Just leave us alone, man. Look at this. They fell here. Now they again going up. I'm like, what should you do? Is it normal? You tell me. You tell me. You telling me this is normal? I'm gonna add another one. This time I'll go over leverage. I don't care. Seriously, this thing is like annoying me. Never seen something like that. This is just crazy at its best. The craziness got some limit. Look, again they're gonna give us pain. Now they created a gap here. Still they're not gonna take out this low. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous, mate. They again crying. Please try, man. Really, we try. Give us something here and then just go. But no, 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 they're gonna go up because we sold it. They know that everybody sold it. These guys are crazy, man. Last few days was so bad. I don't know. But the market is completely dysfunctional. I mean, how can this one is not going a little bit down? Look ridiculous, isn't it? Like they're gonna be bullish right now. You're telling me they're gonna be bullish now? They're gonna go up and then destroy everybody. Look at it, what they're doing. Ah, absolutely ridiculous. Now if they invert this one, we are toasted. Look what they're doing. How are you gonna trade? Easily they can take out this high. I really, really never seen price action like this. It's so problematic. I'll add another one, okay? Just to be a little bit risky. I know it can easily go up and they can destroy us, but I don't care. This is like a my what is it called? This one ridiculous. They didn't take out this low, and they already know that people are shorting it. So if they go high, I'm toasted today, and they looks like they're going high. Unbelievable price action. I never seen something like this. Seriously, this one if they go high now, my goodness, seriously, man. With this small account, this kind of loss, yeah. So this high taken, proper trapped us. Nothing going on. It's just ridiculous price action. How I'm gonna recover this money today, I don't know. But this one doesn't make any sense to me. Part of me telling me to come out, but then it will be. I don't know, man. I think I'll take the loss. Some of the stupidest price I ever seen. Didn't make sense to me at all. This is just ranging. I have to take this loss. I have to take this loss. They can easily go up. So one of the biggest loss I'm taking, and then I'm gonna just I don't know, like I'm gonna how I'm gonna recover it. But if I recover it, you'll see it. I think I'm done. My brain is toasted. You have nice time. Be safe because after 9:30 they didn't go anywhere. So I've taken a loss. If I recover it, you'll see that I'll show you the my dashboard. So yesterday I had loss and I recovered it, but I cannot concentrate anymore. I need a little bit of break and then I'll think about it. So these things, I would love to be green, but I today don't know how I'm gonna recover this loss. So top step as well. I didn't trade it today. There was nice opportunity pre-market. So pre-market tell you how it will be. ICT already told us that if pre-market is large range, as soon as the market open, it will be difficult. But I'll be again try to short it back again later on. But the price is not gonna. I'm not bullish today. I mean, if it go high, the market is extremely bullish. Look at this, but I want a retracement up to there. That's what I want. But maybe not gonna happen today. Maybe tomorrow they will take out the high and then they'll do it. I don't have no idea, but I'll try to recover it with my small way. If I cannot recover it, you'll see it. But it's a journey. We have to try. I mean, at least I cut it. But this one, the price didn't take out this low. I don't have no idea why not. Look, it's all right. It's fine. Let them do what they like to do. Then we'll see. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for being with me. And then I will definitely show you if I could recover it. But this one is like doesn't make sense to trade here right now in front of you. And then being like, like I didn't do anything wrong, I would say, like that much. Like this trade, I took it. Look, here I came out. It was perfect, 9:30 price. Then they came up here. There are two gaps there. So I traded from one from there and another from there. So this was a good trade. I got to stop out here, means I came out here. Okay. So then they again retrace back. I thought, okay, because the ES already taken out this high. And then the ESs all broke down. And then this one broke down. And from this area, I tried it again. didn't work. So then this one, I mean, like this kind of breaking down from a gap, and then it doesn't take the low. I mean, like, should I trade in this market right now? I don't think so. But I'm gonna trade. I might lose the account, but if I lose it as well, you see, this is part of the journey. You'll see it. I'll show you, because the honesty is the best way to deal with these things. Okay, I'm gonna show what is happening, but discipline wise, I would say, like, I'm trying to be green. That's what I'm trying to do. But today I don't want to take too many losses so that I cannot recover it. But this kind of losses, hopefully I recover. If I cannot do it, I'll lose the account, but it doesn't matter. We'll try again. This is the game. Okay, so if it was that easy, everybody would have done it, isn't it? All right, you take care of yourself. It's already almost 11 o'clock. So I have to leave. Thank you. Bye.